Strategic modeling provides on-the-fly scenario analysis and modeling with financial forecast modeling so that your operational plans, long-range plans, and financial strategy align. By seeding operational plans with current targets and updating models with the latest forecasts, long-term plans, and plans for corporate initiatives, treasury initiatives, and market analysis align with your strategic initiatives. These capabilities support this alignment. Cross-model roll-ups, custom account forecasting, audit trail, scenario management, goal seek, pre-built chart of accounts and integrated reports, target seeding. We'll explore strategic modeling in an application that has a custom navigation flow that includes a long-range forecast cluster in which the strategic models are embedded. With the scenario roll-up view, you can roll up models using standard roll-up rules, roll up specific groups over particular time horizons, and exclude account groups for accounting eliminations. Cross-scenario roll-ups are supported, so you can combine scenarios from different models to identify the most likely scenario in the parent model. You can exclude models that aren't relevant to a scenario. View model roll-up methods such as equity, and add models to a roll-up by dragging and dropping and selecting the scenarios to roll up for each receiving business case. With account forecast, you can identify how a value is determined by viewing its forecast formula. Standard and free-form forecast types are supported. With free-form, you can define custom formula using the formula builder that displays your accounts and provides a wide variety of functions that you can use to insert conditional statements, retrieve other account values, and include specific time. To capture more detail, you can add new accounts and have them roll up in the chart of accounts hierarchy. For example, you can create a licensed revenue account and use a provided forecast method such as percentage of another account that you link to product sales and price. Then you can enter account values and calculate the forecast for all related scenarios. Audit Trail provides the transparency that you need to fully understand the account logic, assumptions, and the relationships in a model. You can use Audit Trail to change your assumptions. With the Scenario Manager, you can simulate responses to industry and economic changes by defining scenarios and modifying scenario assumptions. Scenarios can inherit accounts and the input values and forecast methods of other scenarios. For example, you can create a what-if scenario that inherits the base scenario's assumptions and to which you assign the accounts to be modified. Then use the what-if scenario to make and calculate changes so that you can identify values that don't deviate from the base scenario. Goal Seek is an easy way to quickly perform impact analysis because you can identify how drivers and accounts must change in order to reach an objective. For example, in an expansion scenario, you can determine the growth in unit volume needed to reach a net income of 6.6 million by 2027. The lower grid displays the required unit volume change and the impact on net income. The pre-built chart of accounts and financial logic generate a set of integrated financial statements. Accounts are grouped and logically numbered. Balance sheets are in the 2000s, income statement in the 1000s, funds flow in the 3000s, and cash flow in the 4000s. Use Audit Trail to see how the cash flow numbers are derived. Because some accounts include related accounts, the suffix indicates the account type. For example, 01 is the funds flow or operating change account, and 02 is an acquisition-related account. Last, administrators or form designers can create rules to create long-range plan based on the bottom-up plan by synchronizing the plans. The long-range plan is updated for the next year, and you can change the assumptions for future planning. To ensure that your strategic and operational plans align, you can seed forecasted operational plan with updated targets. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.